What's up guys, today I want to show you how to make a hyper drone lapse. So what's a hyper drone lapse? Well, there's the standard stationary time lapse like this, or you can spice it up a little bit by adding some motion with a motion controlled time lapse rig like I talked about in my last video, or you can get really fancy and do a hyper lapse. This is where you make larger moves between each shot of your time lapse like this. So with my last trip to Budapest, the team and I wanted to try to step things up a little bit and try something new with some time lapse or hyper lapse. And we got the idea, drone footage makes everything better. Let's try to add drone footage into a hyperlapse and make a hyper drone lapse. So this project started out as most great projects start out, with the trip to Google Maps. We knew we wanted to showcase the Parliament building in Budapest as it's such an amazing landmark. And from looking at the map, it became very obvious that the coolest thing to do would be to do a hyperlapse from this bridge way up here all the way down to this bridge way down here. And of course with the Parliament building as the main focus of this hyperlapse. So with that, we had our plan, and part of the crew flew the drone from the first bridge up here, approached the Parliament building where I was ready to start shooting a hyperlapse where they stopped flying the drone. And of course I was shooting the hyperlapse on the ground from about the first bridge down to the second bridge. So literally this hyperlapse is me just taking a photo and then walking 2 steps and taking another photo, keeping my focus point on the same point of the Parliament building. To finish it all off, we started the drone from about where my hyperlapse ended and flew the drone out past that second bridge. From there, it's just a matter of trying to line up the footage in editing, and if you notice, it doesn't have to be exact. You just want to get the 2 frames close, so the end frame from the drone footage should be somewhat close to the first frame from the hyperlapse, and then through the persistence of motion as that video plays through, it doesn't matter that it's not exactly lined up, but it makes for a really compelling shot as the drone footage leads into the hyperlapse and then back into drone footage. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. See you guys next time.